Here we are at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2018 Sailfish 242 center console. This is a great boat for this area. It actually comes with twins. A lot of times 24-foot boats don't, but you have twin 150s on the back, so that's perfect for going inshore and especially offshore. At least you know you have two motors. Definitely a peace of mind on that. Let's walk towards the transom and I'll show you these motors. So here you are with the twin 150 Yamahas. They do make a model that is a 241 center console, and you would only have the single motor. So with this addition, this would make me feel a lot more comfortable about going deep sea. Here top side on the 242, one thing I would like to point out is a ski tow pole. If you like water sports or you just want to tow your kids around in the tubes, that's perfect for that. I love that addition on an actual center console fishing boat. You do have rocket launchers on the back of the helm seat here, as well as on the T-top, and undergun rod storage as well. They also added the addition of some of those extra rod holders there to get your line a little further out. This does have hydraulic steering with tilt. I like that, so that if you're sitting down, you can put it where you like, or if you're standing up, you can get a better angle at it. This does have a Garmin multifunctional display, so you got your chart plotter, fish finder, and your engine diagnostics would be on this CL7 here. Here's all your controls nicely appointed right in front of you, so you're not having to reach anywhere. It's right here. Your Fusion stereo system. This does have trim tabs as well as the addition of a spotlight. Also, they've already put the VHF in there, so that's one less thing you'd actually have to add if you went with this boat. One thing that I actually really like about this model is normally when you see boats, there's nothing here. This actually has plenty of storage, compartment storage, to kind of put your valuables and anything you want and keep it organized while you're underway. Here at the bow, we do have the table set up at the moment, but this can easily be removed if you want a little more room for fishing. These cushions do come up, so you can have a casting platform here. And they also have the addition of these flip-out backrests. So you can get comfortable if you wanted to lay out and get some sun, and you can do so as well. Another good thing, windlass anchor. You're not going to have to be dealing with that anchor yourself. It's all electronically controlled at the helm. Another good addition to this boat is it does have a fully functioning head with a freshwater sink there. Also, easy access to all your electronics there if you needed to do anything. You don't actually have to come through the front of the dash. If you'd like to stop by and take a look at this in person or anything else we have on the lot, give me a call at 850-225-9797. I look forward to it.